Some business sectors witnessed zero sales record during March-April. Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. I hope you all are doing good and doing well. Today we are going to talk about economy. Today we are going to talk about alternatives. Today we are going to talk about what more you can do for yourself. I'll explain you how. The world at large is hit by this pandemic. Every industry is suffering. Some business sectors witnessed zero sales record during March-April. Now these were all unavoidable circumstances. Being pandemic, we had to take care of ourselves, our family, our relatives, our friends. But the worst has already hit us. People are suffering from job losses. Markets and businesses are suffering from dips that they have never witnessed before. So what more we can do? First thing, you have to be opportunist, like I described in my last video. Check out the link here. And second, you have to diverse yourself. People are already suffering from job losses. Businesses are going bankrupt. Governments will sure be funding them and helping them out during this crisis through some financial packages. But what I mean by diverse yourself is to explore new avenues related to your profession, your abilities. For example, if a software engineer, if a software professional has already lost his job, should he look into the digital marketing sector? If a restaurateur or a cafe owner has shut down his cafe due to the financial losses, should he be looking into retailing of packaged food items? Because that is what people are going to prefer in this pandemic. If your company is into public transport system, should you align yourself into the packaging industry? Should you be aligning yourself into the logistic part? If you're into clothes retail outlet, should you put your stock online and sell them through the online portals, because that is going to gain momentum these days? If you're into material supply business, would you want to venture out to the allied products related to your main product? These are the questions that we should ask ourselves. We should get out of this bad economy, the bad patch that we are suffering financially. We are hit by this economy and we should propagate ourselves through this dump that we are into. I guess you all would agree to this. My main point is, don't stop yourself. Gather all the abilities that you have in your portfolio, in your resume, and try to explore each and every avenue that you have listed down and try to gain opportunities out of those points. The one way that we are going to survive this crisis is going to be opportunist. I have given a short example in my last video. Please do have a look at that. The example reflects policies from a bigger company. But should we scale it down to our needs and our basics and our benefits? It is going to help us. So with this food for thought, I take your leave. You all be safe. Take care. See you soon.